goes out to everyone who's lost someone that they truly love. Come on, check it out.
Seems like yesterday we used to rock the show. Alex to deck, you like the flow. So far from hanging on the block of dough. Notorious, they got to know that life and always doesn't seem to be. Words can express what you mean to me. You can know you're gone, we're still a team. Through your family, out through your dreams. In the future, can't wait to see if you open up the gates for me. Reminiscing time, the night they took my friend. Try to play it out, but it plays again. When you experience, it's hard to conceal. Can't imagine all the pain I feel. Give anything to hear half your breath.
Half your breath.
I know you're still living your life after death.
Every move I make, every single day, every time I pray, I'm missing you. Thinking of the day when you went away. What a life to take, what a bound to break. I'm missing you.
It's kind of hard with you not around. Know you're in heaven, smiling down, watching us while we pray for you. Every day we pray for you, till the day we meet again. In my heart is where I keep your friend. Memories give me the strength I need to proceed, strength I need to believe. My toes beat just can't define. Wish I find back the ends of time. Busting the six, shot for new gloves and kicks. You and me taking flicks, making these stages, just receive you on. Still can't believe you're gone. Even if you hear half your breath, I know you're still living your life.